Hey foodie fellows, welcome back to Blogging with Food, your source for culinary inspiration. Today, we are exploring creative cutting styles for cucumber salads. Let's dive in. Starting with the basics, let's look at some simple cucumber cutting styles. Thin slices for a heartier bite in your salad, giving it a more substantial texture and a juicy burst with every mouthful. Now, let's get fancy with our cucumber cuts. Cucumber ribbons, elegant and visually appealing, adding an artistic flair to your dish and creating a stunning presentation. Spiralized cucumbers, a fun and playful twist, perfect for a unique presentation that's sure to delight your guests. Star-shaped cucumber cuts add a touch of primacy to your salad, making it a delightful centerpiece that steals the show. Get creative with unique cucumber shapes. Cucumber flowers perfect for a decorative salad, turning it into a work of culinary art. A true feast for the eyes. Show some love with the cucumber heart shapes, giving your salad a heartfelt touch that adds a dose of charm. Round cucumber slices, a versatile choice for presentation, suitable for various salad styles and always a crowd pleaser. For those who love precision, try these intricate cucumber designs. Cucumber swirls, a mesmerizing addition to your salad, adding an element of sophistication that elevates your culinary creation. Impress your guests with cucumber fans, a true work for culinary art, elevating your salad to masterpiece that's both stunning and delicious. There you have it, a variety of creative cutting styles to elevate your cucumber salads. Experiment with these techniques and make your salads a feast for the eyes. Don't forget to subscribe to Blogging with Food for more culinary inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy slicing!